Syncing Salesflare with HubSpot can streamline your CRM workflow and save time on repetitive tasks. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick process of setting up the integration between these two powerful platforms so you can maximize efficiency and improve your team's productivity. Before we dive into the step-by-step guide, make sure to check out the link below where you can get an exclusive bonus offer and a completely free trial of Salesflare. Now, let's jump into syncing these two platforms, and I promise you'll want to stay until the end because I've got some pro tips that will make the process even easier. First off, why sync Salesflare with HubSpot? Well, both Salesflare and HubSpot are robust CRM tools, but they serve slightly different purposes. Salesflare is great for automating a lot of the repetitive data entry, and HubSpot excels at inbound marketing and sales funnel management. By syncing these tools, you can ensure that your data flows seamlessly between both, reducing errors and saving you valuable time. To get started, head over to your Salesflare dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the Integrations tab on the left-hand menu. This is where all your app integrations live. Once you click on Integrations, find HubSpot in the list of available integrations and click on it. You'll then see the option to connect your HubSpot account to Salesflare. Next, click the Connect button and you'll be prompted to log into your HubSpot account. This will allow Salesflare to access your HubSpot data. After logging in, you'll need to authorize Salesflare to view and interact with your HubSpot CRM data. This step ensures that everything you need from HubSpot is ready to sync with Salesflare. Once authorized, you can choose how you want your data to sync between the two platforms. You can decide whether you want your contacts, deals, companies, or tasks to sync automatically, or whether you want to do it manually. I recommend going for automatic syncing so that you don't have to worry about keeping both systems up to date. It all happens behind the scenes. After that, make sure to set your preferences for how often the sync should occur. Most platforms allow syncing in real time or at set intervals. It's best to choose real-time syncing, especially if you rely on up-to-date information. Here's a pro tip. Once your sync is set up, check for duplicate entries. Sometimes when syncing two systems, contacts or deals might get duplicated. This can easily be cleaned up, but it's good to check regularly, especially in the early stages. Another important point to note is that if you use custom fields in HubSpot, you'll want to make sure those fields are mapped correctly in Salesflare. You can easily adjust this under the integration settings, ensuring that everything syncs the way you want it to. Now that everything's connected, you're ready to let both platforms work together. When you update information in Salesflare, it will automatically reflect in HubSpot and vice versa. This creates a smooth experience for your sales team, marketing team, or whoever is involved in the process. No more jumping between platforms to find critical data. Finally, the integration between Salesflare and HubSpot doesn't just save time, it also helps you make better decisions. With up-to-date information flowing between both platforms, you have a complete view of your customer journey, which ultimately allows you to serve your clients better and close more deals. Remember, you can try this integration completely free with the link below, where we've secured you an exclusive extended trial and some bonus features to make your CRM journey even smoother. By syncing Salesflare with HubSpot, you're setting up your business for success. Stay organized, save time, and leverage the best of both worlds. If you have any questions or need help along the way, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that exclusive offer in the link below.